Okay guys, the new versions of WhatsApp Plus have arrived. As you can see here, I have all the ones that are currently working and I have them running in parallel. And this time I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of WhatsApp Plus. This is the one that's updated for September, October, and November of 2025. And the advantage is that it updates itself, meaning we won't have to worry about reinstalling it again, okay? Well, here we can see a bit of the table of contents, what this new version brings us. It basically brings us the ghost mode, which lets us disappear so people can't send us messages or see that we're online. And we also have the anti-delete feature, meaning if we don't want messages, images, or single view items to be deleted, we can just keep it activated, okay? To download it, you simply have to go to this page and type it exactly as it's showing up. As you can see, it's already loading the site for us. And right on the first page, we see WhatsApp Plus Red. If it doesn't show up, just type WhatsApp and here you'll be able to click on this option. Just click here and you'll start the injection process. Simply click where it says Start Injection and the injection process will begin. Here, as you can see, it tells us that it's connecting and that the application is being downloaded. This is an automatic process where we don't have to do anything because it's an injection from the browser. I repeat, we don't have to download anything, okay? So, well, let's wait for the process to finish. Okay, guys, it asked me for a quick verification and I already completed it, and now it's showing me that the app is installed. If I go to my app drawer, we'll see it here with a completely different icon so we can identify it. This version is really good because it won't ask us for practically any special permissions like other apps do. So, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.